Forget about stressing yourself to write a good resume. LinkedIn has got you covered. Resume is a super important tool that can be used to help you land a job. And this is because it offers a page or two of information where you can exhibit or display your top skills and talents. However, a resume is even much more than that. Resumes help employers also to make hiring decisions. And depending on how well you structure your resume, it can help you land an interview. That is why how you structure your resume is quite pertinent. And you should be very deliberate with what kind of information you decide to include. In this video, you will learn how to use LinkedIn to craft a beautiful resume that will be ready to deploy in seconds. By the way, this video is not sponsored by anyone, and I have no affiliations with LinkedIn or Microsoft. And with that out of the way, there are two methods we will be discussing. The first one is what I call quick and dirty, while the second one is the standard professional one. You know, sometimes you just hear of a job opening that is closing in the next few hours and you need to quickly submit your CV. Then you can use the quick one, all right? Otherwise, the standard professional one is even more preferred. Now, let's head over to LinkedIn and I'll show you how it's done. So first, go to your LinkedIn profile and click on the home button. You should know, I mentioned in my last video about LinkedIn that LinkedIn serves as your living CV, right? So spend time to make sure you update your profile with the relevant skills. All right, very important. Now you should put up a solid profile because this resume will pull important things from your profile. So the first method is simple and quick. Just go under your profile where it says more and then click save to PDF. And that's it. Easy peasy. Now when you open it, you will see a super cool resume. This is way cooler than the one you made using Microsoft Word. Okie dokie, artichoke. Now, but there is a more standard and professional way of doing this, which is much cleaner than the first one you've just seen. Because different jobs require different CVs, and because job descriptions are even different, and not all of your experiences and skills may be required for any particular job. Or you may need even sometimes to highlight some of your very specific skills. Now, to match the job description, you will need to be able to develop a more tailored CV for the job in question. Now, so this time, what we will do is to build a more professional CV, all right? So here we'll use what is called the Resume Builder tool. Let's go under Jobs, then click Resume Builder. Now, here you will see resumes that you have created before. So you can reuse it if the job is similar to what you have applied. Otherwise, you have two options. Either create a new one from a profile or you upload, all right? So let's just create one from our profile. So you get this beautiful dialog box. Please don't skip it. It asks you to put in the job title. Now, this is important because when employers are looking for your CV, there are some keywords that they will be looking for. And if you don't have those words there, they may not even think of inviting you for an interview, all right? In fact, if you are submitting your CV electronically, some employers will use their software to scan through your CV. And if those keywords are not there, man, you may not even be considered for an interview. And you know how important it is to even show up for an interview in the first place. So now let's put in, oh yeah, I'm sure if you are my subscriber, you know what I am going to put in, right? You already know what I'm passionate about. Okay, so health information specialist. Good, it means you know me very well. All right. Now we click on apply and boom, you have this amazing looking professional resume. Easy peasy, right? Now what is even more fascinating is that this resume is fully customizable. You can add or remove entire sections. And the good thing is that if you look at the right panel, that's the panel on the right, you will see what I call the good stuff. That's the resume insights. This will give you insights on how to make your resume better for the job you're applying for. So check it out. So you can see that it was the desired job title for health information specialist. And it found healthcare and public health in my resume, right? But it is suggesting that if I want my CV to fly for this work, then I should consider placing EMR and HIT experience inside what I have, okay? Now, so if you have this experience, then it will be beneficial for your application. So we'll have to put that in. But please, if you don't have such experience, please don't put it in. So you don't waste the employer's time. You don't want people calling you for an interview and you don't have the particular skills that they are looking for. All right. Now, the good thing here is that you can edit any format in any section that you want and make the resume look more professional and make it also look more applicable for the job that you're applying for. Man, this is just so cool. When you are through with making all your adjustments, you can view a preview to see how beautiful it looks. And wow, see how cool this is. Man, I love this. Love it, love it, love it. Now we can just close it. And when you are okay and it's good to go, you just click on more and download as PDF. Now let's see how the PDF looks like. Whoa, awesome. Just awesome. Okie dokie at the choky. So now you know how to create a beautiful world-class CV from LinkedIn. And you can go ahead and give it a try. Enjoy the good stuff. Now tell me, which method do you prefer the most? Please put your responses in the comment section. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't done so already. See you in my next video. But until then, peace.